Alright, ladies and gents, so I have the hood done. Now I'm getting pretty much going on the roof. The main thing is I'm going to measure how much I'm going to cut. AKA, you're going to get your piece. And if this film didn't have that plastic backing, I would have just been rolling on this thing. Some films, they don't have the plastic backing, so you can't do it. You gotta be a lot more careful. So as you guys can see, this vehicle has that antenna that is making that little lump right there. That's a big no-no in wrap. Whenever you're glassing, of course, you want everything to be flat. So in this case, what I have to do basically is use this right here to make it to where I don't have to remove that antenna, because that antenna, like most Mercedes, Audi, and BMW, is extremely tough to remove. Not tough, but it takes a little bit longer, and you have to reapply adhesive so the water, moisture doesn't get back in there, and we're not doing all that. I have a different way. You know, I'm pro, take everything off and wrap, but in this circumstance, it's better just to do what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna show y'all basically what you need to do with this. First thing first, I need to mark where I'm going to be doing that at. Pretty much with this, it's already pre-measured, but your antenna technically wrapping around. Take this piece. Wrap it around the antenna. Wrap it around the shape of the antenna, get a rough estimate, then you're gonna draw it. As y'all can see, I marked right here. That's my little cut to where I know where the top is. And from there, I just drew it, you know, symmetrical. So that's the size of the antenna. You don't want to cut the exact size of the antenna. You want to cut about 1/4 inch inside. That way, you know, it's still, you still have to squeegee it in and then tuck it in and all that good stuff. See, you're gonna start from the back. That way you can put the vinyl where you need it to be. See that you put extra slack on the sides, front and back. This you gotta be able to move around and place it. That part gotta be careful.
I wanna be with you. 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 Me just love. I'm on the way. We ain't got no time to waste. Papa, yo, come on the way. Am I in the way? I don't want pressure, you none. I want your blessing today. Oh, by the way, open the door by the way. Show you that I'm on the way. I'm on the way. I know connection is vague. Pick up the phone for me, babe. Damn it, we jamming. That attitude for your nanny. Curving your hip from your memory. Remember, Gardena, I took the studio camera. I know Top will be mad at me. I had to do it. I want your body and music. I'm about the big one to prove it. Look what you made. Told you that I'm on the way. I'm like an exit away. Yeah. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. Run for my money, there is nobody, ain't nobody around. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. I wanna be with you. 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 Me just love me.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so right now I'm on the rear trunk area. You can see already wrapped. Top portion here, top portion here. All I got left is this piece. Honestly, this piece is going to be harder to do than this one and this one. So with the same type of technique, we'll be able to do it.
Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. Run for my money, there is nobody, ain't nobody around. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. She's lovely. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Watch that plate move because he took the tape off already.
Okay, good. Gotcha. Skip it on the top half. Yeah, it's very